Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for hands-on reviews and real insights. Today, we're diving into what we think is the best Weight Watchers bathroom scale you can get your hands on right now. The INEVIFIT bathroom scale. Let's find out if it really lives up to the hype. First off, this scale is all about simplicity and precision. Right out of the box, the INEVIFIT bathroom scale feels solid and well-made. It comes with 4 AAA batteries already included, so setup takes less than a minute. Just pop in the batteries, set it on a flat surface, and you're good to go. No complicated pairing, no Bluetooth setup, no app downloads, it's refreshingly straightforward. Now let's talk about accuracy. This scale features auto-calibrating sensors designed to give you precise measurements every time you step on. Whether you're tracking your progress daily or doing weekly weigh-ins, consistency matters, and this scale delivers. We tested the readings with multiple weigh-ins in a single day and the numbers stayed solid, with minimal fluctuation. That kind of reliability is exactly what you need when you're serious about weight tracking. The platform is made of 6mm tempered glass and measures 11.8 by 11.8 inches. It's a good size, large enough to feel stable, but not so big that it hogs your bathroom floor space. The surface is smooth, easy to clean, and it looks sleek with its silver finish. The design feels modern and minimal, which means it blends easily into any bathroom setting. One of the standout features is the large 3.6-inch LED display. It's bright, crisp, and super easy to read, even in dim lighting. And thanks to the auto-on and auto-off sensing technology, you just step on, get your reading instantly. And the display shuts off after a few seconds to conserve battery life. Speaking of weight capacity, the INEVIFIT scale supports up to 400 pounds or 180 kilograms. So it's built for all body types, and you can switch between pounds and kilos with a simple button. No frills, no fluff. Just a scale that does what it's supposed to do and does it well. Now, if you're someone who prefers a smart scale that syncs with your phone, this one doesn't have Bluetooth or a mobile app. But that might actually be a plus if you're looking to avoid extra digital clutter and just want to focus on the basics: stepping on, seeing your weight, and stepping off. What's also cool is that INEVIFIT is a small business brand, and you can tell they've put thought into the design and user experience. From the clean lines to the balanced weight distribution of the platform, this feels like a product made by people who genuinely care about quality and user satisfaction. In our day-to-day testing, this scale never missed a beat. It was consistent, comfortable to use, and didn't require any fuss. You step on, it gives you your weight in a second, and you're done. That's exactly what a bathroom scale should be. No distractions, just results. So to wrap this up, the INEVIFIT bathroom scale is a fantastic pick for anyone on a weight loss journey, fitness program, or just maintaining a healthy lifestyle. It's precise, durable, stylish, and user-friendly. Whether you're a Weight Watchers member or just someone keeping tabs on your progress, this scale gives you the tools to stay on track, without overcomplicating things. That's it for today's review. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more honest reviews from Product Critique. Got questions or want us to compare this scale with others on the market? Drop a comment below. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.